Oh, we're back. Girl, here, take this. Okay, come on. Daddy's busy, okay? Oh, we're back. Girl, here, take this. Okay, all right. Okay. You're probably wondering about getting on the Google Hangouts. There's no way. Once I start live recording, I already posted that comment up there. Once I start live recording, I cannot add anyone to the live feed because this is already attached to YouTube. So I'm actually just gonna start a couple minutes earlier. I'm not gonna stop the broadcast or trying to re-add any more people in. So I'm gonna reiterate what I just said before. I am planning on buying Australia because there's two red news. It's gonna hit here in an hour. I'm selling USDJPY and I'm buying gold. So that's what I'm doing because of what happened last night. I'm going off the same pattern of last night. And I will show you guys where I'm currently at right now. What? Can I please add? So I will show you guys for this morning. These are all the profits for this morning. I know I stopped the other feed, so I'm just trying to repeat what I just said before. Maybe 142 and 24 cents in profit for the morning for New York sessions. Just like what I said last night, I plan on buying USDJPY and selling gold in the early morning of New York sessions, then the early hours, and then it ended up being a sell because Yellen could not make her speech. And so I'm anticipating for what happened last night. Good morning, Michael. I'm anticipating for what happened last night, which is USDJPY ended up being the sell and gold ended up being the buy. And so it's 6:30 right now. And I am trading the Australian dollar because there's two red news. I anticipate those news to be positive for the Australian dollar. And so I will be like coming in and out because my two daughters are home, and plus if my wife needs my help, and I end up going on my office here. So what's up, Constantine? So basically that is what I have for right now. How much they what how much they have. So I'm actually doing Tokyo sessions. I'm not doing London sessions because I have a early day tomorrow, and besides school I have to get everything ready for my two kids too. So What will be the trade for the day? Since it's Tokyo sessions and the overlap of Sydney sessions, the most important thing for tonight would be Australia. If you look at the economic indicator, I mean economic calendar. I'm sorry. And let me share my screen. Is this right? Yeah. So let me get on here. Let's see. Let me get on here. So, well, there's two news for Japan in 20 minutes, 16 minutes here, and then in an hour from now will be four major news for the Australia for the trade balance and retail sales. So that's going to be very important to pay attention to. So, let me get on trade. Hang on, let me see. I know there's still a lot of people that try and get on this Google Hangout, so I'll try and see if I can still add you guys on here. So if you want to be on the Google Hangout and actually like share your ideas and be on the video and on the actual chat room for the Google Hangouts, all you gotta do is just give me your email and then I can link you on here. Obviously, usually Tokyo sessions doesn't pick up until 7 p.m., which is another 20 minutes from now. Remember, this is still the first hour of Tokyo sessions. All right, hold on, let me add you on here. Crap. I knew this was gonna happen. Oh, hang on. I knew this was gonna happen on Google Hangouts. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Let's see if I can try and re-add some people in here. Come on, come on. Of course. What are you expecting for investment speech in Japan? What investment speech are you talking about? For that, I expect good news for Japan to drop back USDJPY to make USDJPY drop back. $100 on this day. Or you trying to sell the pound? Or you trying to sell the pound? Oh crap, okay. Yeah, I'm still trying to see if I can add the people that are trying to get on right now. I gotta see what they're limiting on. Because the best time to add people onto the Google Hangouts is before I start the live stream. So I'm trying to see if there's another loophole around here where I can add people. It's just not letting me add anyone right now. What? So bear with me. I'm still trying to see if I can add some people here. Should have reversed back to the 112 and 3/4 area, but after that, it looks like it might keep moving. Hang on. I know a lot of people are trying to hop onto the Google Hangout live session here, so I'm just trying to see what I can do. Shoot. Okay, I think there's a way. Hang on. Let me start adding people here. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to add some more people. Come on. Yes. Is there anyone else that needs to get added? I'm trying to add as much as I can on here on this session. I don't want to be trying to be going back and forth, so. Come on. Let's see here. Okay. All right. I think I got most of everyone that wanted to hop onto the Google Hangouts. So if I missed someone, please let me know. I can add you guys back on. So once I add you guys on, it automatically saves into my actual Google Hangout contact list. So that way, if you were to get added on again for another, like tomorrow's live session, you can automatically be on the live session right away instead of me just trying to re-add your email. Okay, let's see here. Two minutes. Okay. I mean, for those of you that are on the Google Hangout and want to share something or want to put yourself on this video feed, just remember this is a live stream that's directly connected to YouTube, so it will be recorded and it will be updated into my channel for anyone to rewatch it again. So that way you guys know what you're getting yourselves into. I mean, feel free to share whatever you want to share. I mean, what you think. All I gotta do is just get myself off of here. Oh, come on. Where is the... hang on. I'm trying to get to... All right. Not your own brother just found your page. What's up, Young Ling? Glad to see another Hmong brother over here. Yeah, very expensive, less than 26,000. Yeah. don't understand how to trade forex. The number one thing I always recommend someone if they get themselves started in forex is have some sort of trading plan in place and have some sort a financial budget plan for yourself. That way you're not spending your rent money or any money that you don't have. That's probably the two most important things. No plan, and you're just trying to put all into action mode, you end up losing it all. Gotta have some sort of strategy behind it. Where you want to make 50 bucks a day, 20 bucks a day, 10 bucks a day, 10%, 20%, 50%, wherever it is. You got to figure out how much you want to make per day, per week. At the end of the month, how much you want to pay yourself. So what the heck? Vera, you okay? What's going on? Huh? What is going on? Okay. Daddy's busy. Come on. Daddy's busy. Come on. You guys need to stop messing with Daddy. Ay. The life of having $2 at home. Wonder if any of you guys have kids. Man, going to school full time, being a stay-at-home dad, and trading part-time. Man, I'm sacrificing a lot of time to be here. I want to be able to be here all the time for anyone. Oh boy. Please don't come to me. Crap. What? What is it? What? Daddy's busy. What is going on with you girls? What? What is it? Okay. You gonna sit here? Okay. Behave. What? Daddy's busy. Daddy is YouTubing right now. Shh.
Come here. Can you watch?
$100 a day. Nothing crazy. Yeah.
Why? I can scare you.
So, are you scalping right now? The way I scalp is I scalp off the 1 minute chart with the Bollinger Bands. That's it. I know some people can just go off of RSI, bouncing off of 70 and 30. You can do that too. And then you can scalp it a little bit longer on the 5 minute chart if you follow the MACD line before the MACD line curves. What is it, girl? Huh? What? Can you explain the pyramid? What? Oh, you talking about stacking on one trade? Stacking on one trade, man. Really, really. How do I? Girl, stop touching my phone. Hey, no, 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 no. Stop it. Stacking on one trade. Yeah, let me get on my trading view. Usually I stack trades before the session starts or the first hour of the session. I don't ever stack a trade at the end of the session because that means you're already at the last of its trend. Okay, girl. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, okay. Okay, good. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, girl. Okay. You are crazy. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not with I know no more. Same question. Nope. What? What? Okay, girl. Okay, girl. Calm down. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm not expecting the live stream like this. I guess it's the price I pay for trying to live stream on Tokyo sessions. Girl, you gonna take a nap with mommy? Cause daddy's busy. Okay? Okay? All right, so Tony, you want to get on to the Google Hangout? I'll add you right now. Hang on, let me add you. Yeah, if anyone wants to hop on, I'll be able to put anyone on here. Come on, what's going on? Is that, did I type it wrong? Crap, come on. Get ready for Australia here. What's, can I PM you my email? Yeah, you can. If you don't want your email in this live chat, that's fine. There is no point trying to sell USDJPY the way it's going right now. No. Cent. Okay. Let me get you on here. Okay. What is Steam Mint? A lot of people are asking me like some crazy things, so I'm just trying to. I'm trying to hop back on the Google Hangout and trying to look at some of the questions here, and I'm trying to hop back onto the live chat on YouTube. So I'm trying to see who's asking what. And if you do want to get added back on the Google Hangout, for sure, I can add you back on. Obviously, there's no point selling USDJPY since it's already has the momentum to keep going up. Gold's dropping back. The US dollar index is gaining momentum, and so this is all right. Hold on. Okay. I'm just trying to hop back and forth here. So basically, I'm hopping back and forth from the Google Hangout chat video and then back to the YouTube live chat room. So it's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff to take in. steaming. You gotta check it out. What is steaming? Is this just like YouTube where you get paid to do it? Unless you can correct me. Hang on here, let's see. Okay. It's a site that you can earn Bitcoin for these golden nuggets you give us every day, just posting on their blockchain. Yes. Yeah, I had not tried the site. I'll be sure to look into it. And get ready for Australia. What she said? Oh man, oh man. All right, all right, all right. Are you guys actually live trading right now too? Oh, you want to get onto Google Hangout? Hang on. Hang on here, hang on here, hang on here. Honestly, USDJPY didn't want to drop back. So it's gaining momentum. So that's why I decided to close out what I had before and buy it. And gold couldn't even break past 1275. So gold's back down 1274. Since Australia is rising up before this news release, I'm gonna sell it. I wasn't expecting the US dollar to regain itself during Tokyo sessions. Get out of here. This is what I currently have right now. Why is it so? If USDJPY kept dropping, I would have sold it, but the momentum has shifted. So that's what I currently have right now. That's why USDJPY is gaining so much momentum. Gold is dropping back. Plus the US dollar index is trying to regain itself too. So Go back and share. We got 9 minutes till the Australia news release on the MyFX. I follow the MyFX book economic calendar because it counts the time down. So be ready for this. Are you guys gonna be trading Australia too since there's new releases? Oh crap. Oh, have a good day, Michael. Does my FX book lag like FX Street? Let me get out. I follow my FX book calendar a lot, especially for red news, because when I look at, there's only 6 minutes left till Australia releases its news. Australia released their 4 economic data releases. So I have not looked at FX Street's calendar, economic calendar. I read up on their news because they always release it as soon as there is anything for any news releases, if there's any political tensions, if there's anything that Trump might say that might spark the forex market, or if North Korea decides to strike right now. And so I only follow that for FX Street News. Cryptocurrency. So I'm actually buying USDJPY. I'm selling gold. And the way I see it right now for Australia, I might end up selling it. So We got 2 minutes. All right, here we go. This is why I like using my FX book, because it's counting down by the seconds. Yeah, it was worth the sell. Look at that red candle. Let's see. Honestly, there's no point buying Australia. There's a reason why I anticipated a sell. Usually what I look at is if it's trying in the start of Tokyo, well, in the start of Sydney sessions opens at 2 hours before Tokyo session. So if you remember, Australia's been climbing up before the news release. It's something very important to pay attention to. And plus, if you look at the US dollar index, the US dollar index is trying to gain momentum. So obviously something's got to give. And so people would rather buy the US dollar than Australia. And if you notice all week, Australia's been a sell. since the start of Sunday, opening of Sunday, and up until now. And so if you look at the daily and the weekly chart on Australia, it's been a sell for almost 2 weeks now. So there's something important to pay attention to. Like I wasn't expecting, to be honest, like I wasn't expecting the US dollar index to regain momentum tonight. And so within the first hour, London, not London, Tokyo sessions from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., you'll get a chance to see where the candles are shifting. And you always want to pay attention to see if the US dollar index is actually gaining momentum ahead of time in those sessions. Just remember that everything revolves around the US dollar. I'll go back to this week. I wonder which one you're trying to go off. Okay, so the most important thing was retail sales. So retail sales was negative. Trade balance was the second thing. Not much of a better than expected. will be $6.30. Did you buy Australia for news? Yes, I did. And then I closed out and sold it. Now, usually when it spikes, you gotta be careful because it tries to retrace itself after the spike. And there's really not much gonna go. Really not much going on until London sessions. It was the only news to work on. So Australia's governor is speaking at 1:30 in the morning. Honestly, they'll come back to New York sessions again. Yeah, there's really not going to be much going on. Well, I'm going to record for like 10 more minutes. I'm going to head out. Gotta get going to the store with the wife and kids here. If I'm still up, I will try and live stream again. Are you still holding USDJPY? If it doesn't break 113, obviously it's worth to sell. I mean, right now it hasn't really done anything much. Obviously, it looks an indication of a sell. Yeah, it rallied up all the way up to 112.9, but not significant enough to keep buying it. And you can see that's already going back down to 112.7. So I'll show you guys where I'm at. Here, let me show you guys here on the screen here. And so if USDJPY actually broke 113, then I would keep buying it, but there is really no point. Yeah, it rallied back up to where it dropped back in New York sessions. So, because if you look back in New York sessions, it didn't even come up back to 113. So and they even talked about 113 as here, I'll show you guys what. I want to draw a line on the trading view chart on the USDJPY to show you guys. What am I doing here? Come on. So if you look, you can see that it went up. Okay, this green candle was from New York sessions. It went up. Okay, it tried to hit 113, but couldn't. Okay, went all the way up to 112.9. Came back down, closed out, right? And it did the same thing. So obviously this is a pretty strong resistance point. And you can see that USDJPY is already dropping back. So it tried twice, one during New York sessions, and one at and twice again on the Tokyo sessions. So it's very important to pay attention to, especially if you're looking at the candles. Now you can't really tell the difference if you're just looking at the 1 minute chart. So I go with this is on a 30-minute chart here. You can see that. Obviously, this is the upper band of the Bollinger Bands. So usually when it hits this high, obviously I look for another green candle to keep pushing up to break even further, but it hasn't. So it's not significant enough to keep buying. That's why it's not significant to stack the positions of buying. So hence the reason why I have Bollinger Bands, to know the lower band of the lowest price and the higher band of the highest price. Even though it broke out, it's not enough to consider buying it, to keep buying it. So I hope that answers some of you guys' questions. So we're leaving here. I'm going to end the session here, pretty much right now. So we can get ready to go to the store. We'll get some Halloween stuff. What's your time horizon on? I'm looking at the forward blue could chop before resume bullish. On the 4 hour. Oh man, on Australia, I probably want to. It was a pretty long red candle for that sell for Australia, and so if they can't produce good economic data release for that, I mean, if you look at the rally, I mean, if you look at when the time Australia gained momentum was when was after the 9 a.m. ISM reports came out for US. And so plus it was still trying to keep going until the news release, and then it finally started falling back. Our prediction, I mean, if you look at Australia, it'll try to retrace from where it dropped, that big red candle, or maybe halfway from where it dropped, and then, well, I don't really foresee it retracing that much up anyways. It'll probably end up be a sell. Good to see our Midwest traders now in Chicago. I have not seen anyone from Chicago hop on, so I don't know. I really don't know. I know a lot of direct salespeople from Chicago, but not forex traders. Because I used to do network marketing back in like 2011. What's up, Ninja? I'm actually gonna be getting off here. I know you. So if I'm still up, I will try and do another live session tonight. I'll probably have to be before London sessions since I got a very important day for tomorrow. And so I'm gonna keep my sell positions for USDJPY probably till, if it doesn't break, there's two prices I'm looking at. If it doesn't break 112.6 If it breaks that, then I'm looking for 112.5. And so those would be the two prices that I'd be looking at. And so the price I'd be looking at for gold is see if gold can hit 1280. So other than that, if I'm still up, I will try. Yeah, I will try and do another live session before London sessions, because I'm going to be starting my day around 4:30 in the morning. So I'll be stuck with the kids all day. They got doctor's appointments. Plus, I gotta get back to. Oh man, I probably got night classes too. So it's gonna be crazy, 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 crazy day for me. So I mean, this is already recorded. It will be on the YouTube channel, and you can rewatch it again if you want to zoom in and fast forward and see what I was talking about. So I'm gonna keep selling USDJPY. Buy. I'm gonna keep the positions I have right now, selling USDJPY, buying gold, and then we'll take a look and see. Around 11 p.m. midnight to see if it's gonna fall through. Yeah, for sure. So, I mean, like I said, I'm just showing you guys this small account here on FinPro Trading. So, I mean, I made 142 bucks this morning for New York session. So, just striving for 100 to 200 a day to build this small account slowly. I mean, participating in the JFX demo contest is not what I thought it'd be, because the leverage, you start with 10,000, but the leverage is only 100 to 1. So you can only do one good standard lot, one decent sized lot on that standard lot. And then other than that, you're stuck with that one lot. So for those of you that are participating for JFX. Did I hear someone? Someone want to say something? So other than that, I wish you guys best of luck. Hope you guys are catching pips, making a lot of money. And like I said, I appreciate everyone that's been following me and subscribing to me. And I will devote my time as much time to anyone live streaming and showing you what I'm trading on and why I trade. So, all right, I'm gonna hop off here. I'm gonna be heading to the store here with my wife and kids, and if I'm still up, I will try and do a live session before London sessions and talk about what I think is gonna predict what I'm gonna think is gonna happen for USDJPY and gold, and then what I anticipate for New York sessions for tomorrow. So, and I will be live streaming Friday morning for non-farm payroll for those of you that are tuning in. So I will be doing 2 sessions Friday, London sessions, and I'll try and push to stay up until non-farm payroll. But if I don't, then I'll take a nap and then reopen the session again for non-farm payroll for this Friday. And so I do have a non-farm payroll video on my channel if you want to check it out. It's on the August 4th one, and I actually talk about what I predict and what I look at for the candles when they release before the news. So other than that, you guys have a great night, great day, great morning. And if I'm back on, I will let everyone know. So thanks for tuning in, guys.